Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem CIBC credit card points through the mobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To redeem your CIBC credit card points through CIBC mobile banking, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged to your account as well by entering CIBC online bank credentials. Then once logged in from the main dashboard, select your credit card account. Now once inside, tap on rewards or redeem points option. Then choose the redeem type from payment with points, which applies points to reduce your credit card balance, or shopping with points, which uses points to eligible purchases such as travel bookings or merchandise. Then next is to select transaction. If you are shopping with points, choose the pending transaction you wish to redeem points for. Then follow the prompts to confirm your redemption. For payment with points, the redemption starts at 4,000 points for a $25 payment. For shopping with points, the redemption starts at 8,000 points for every $100 when the transaction is still pending. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.